2007 Honda Accord. Driver side door lock motor is not working, so we're going to replace that. First thing we're going to do is remove this little triangle, and it's supposed to be a cover, it's missing. I'm going to remove 2 screws from there. Inside, down here. That's it. Pop that out from the bottom side and pull it up. And disconnect the plugs, the switches. So we're going to disconnect this and disconnect the switches. I can pull it up, yeah. It's easier that way. Disconnect from it. Disconnect the switch, the light.
Here's the light. Beautiful light. So good.
You gotta turn the key on.
Ahí está la. Beautiful.
Yes! Those are number 3. Careful, you don't want to strip that. Yes! 3 screws.
One shot. 10.
Last one is a little tight, so we're going to bang it in a little bit. Those 3 screws. The last one, we have to bang it in with the hammer to release.
Trae la 10 ya.
¿La 10?
Ajá.
¿Qué copa o qué quieres?
Cualquiera.
Inside, there is a rod. Let me see if I can shine that. Right. Let me see. See this rod? On the top, there is a plastic clip you need to release. Like this. So that thing goes up like that. And now you can release this. We're gonna have to remove this 10 mil to remove this rod away from it. Another screw right here. That is set.
Bend this. No, pues
Right, so you have to release the rod goes outside the handle, which was this one. You have to release from the top, and this is the motor we're going to replace. Let's unplug this.
no, this is covered.
Yeah, I know, but let's unplug this. Let's make sure it's the same one.
Yeah.
Same. Okay.
Quiero quitar el plano.
Just gonna get rid of this cover for now, and we're gonna remove the screw.
Just one screw.
It's just held down with the one screw.
Same way.
Put it back in the same way. Hold this.
What? Okay.
Let's put this back in.
Wait, something is wrong.
No, you didn't put this in. You gotta slide that in. You gotta take that out again. There is a little cutout that has to be slide in between the metal right there, like that.
Sí, está bien.
That's not it. Why is it so tight? Is it bent?
Yes. Quedaría antes.
No, it's disconnected.
No, that's the window.
Okay, try. Okay. Oh, cierra esa puerta. Okay. Wait.
어디서 없어?
No está. Quiero ponerle temporal. Temporal. Okay.
It's going to be difficult to show where the rod goes on, but it actually fits onto
green.
the outside handle, which is the green one. Let me see. Right. Let me see. Let me see. Right there. Let me see. Right there. That green one right there. Okay.
The other one is here. Show. This.
The other one goes on the bottom side. So I can focus that better. That goes to black one right there. Right there, that black one.
¿Cuánto no? Faltaba un chiquito.
$10 down there. That's the window rail.
Por ahí había una 10.
Let's try one more time. It works. Put the other one through that. Gets connected to the door panel.
Tiene un pin. ¿En dónde? En el circuito que
¿Iba en dónde? No surprise. Don't forget this. My guys always forget. Hello.
Can't see it.
Is it? Pull.
Switch.
Let me have the screws. These on the top.
here's got door switch already. That's it.
Now try the door.
Good. That's it.